Hey guys, I'm looking so cute. But guess what? Best Buy. Guess what camera I'm getting? My dream camera. This is the display one. Don't worry. But that's what I'm just gonna be buying today. I'm gonna do an unboxing. That's what we're doing today. We're waiting for the worker to come back. But I'm looking very cute right now. Like I got work clothes on. Stay tuned.
Sir, Ross?
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can tell by the title today, is I'm going to be unboxing my new camera. Yes, your girl bought a camera. Please excuse the glare of this light. That's kind of better, but not really. But we're not going to. But I'm going to be unboxing my new camera. I got the Canon G7X Mark II. But before we unbox this camera, I want to run a little disclaimers down on my channel. I'm not in my normal filming location. I'm in the basement of my home, so please excuse the background. So number 2, I am not a tech channel, so if you guys are looking for like more tech videos, this is not the channel for that. I just wanted to unbox my camera. But yeah, so I'm gonna be unboxing my camera today. This is the camera. I got my camera from Best Buy because I heard so many rumors about Amazon not giving you the right camera and stuff like that. So I was just like, I'm just gonna get it from Best Buy because I know they got the real deal. I think that's all the disclaimers, and I will no longer be using my phone for YouTube because your girl spent some money on this camera. So be prepared to be sick of me. I don't have anything else more to say. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. Okay, so I know I said I was not going to talk in this video. I got to express myself. Okay, this is what the camera is looking like. It's heavier than I thought it was going to be, but I'm not complaining. This baby is mine. I used to always go to the store, like Best Buy, and go play with the camera all the time. And now that I got this baby and it's mine, I'm so happy. Trying so hard not to get fingerprints on the flip screen, but this is my baby. Okay, so now we're going to insert the battery, and I also do have a SIM card in. What should we name her? No, but I'm gonna take a picture right quick, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna insert the battery. So I just finished taking some pictures and videos of my camera. Now we're going to insert the battery. So, oh, the SD card does go in there. Okay. I'm so scared. Like, I'm shaking, guys. Okay. Let's just see if it turns on. Okay, it turned on, but I have to set my date, time, and stuff like that. The time right now is 11:29, but I'm gonna say 11:30. Oh my god. Okay, this is to zoom in, but I don't have no memory card and my battery is flashing, but I'm gonna show you guys. It's trying to focus. So I'm gonna play around with this camera. I'm also gonna charge the battery. But the battery is blinking and I know it's gonna die soon, so yeah. But I'm so happy I got my dream camera. Look at me, I look like a professional YouTuber now. I'm so happy, but I'm gonna put the SD card in like once I charge my battery and stuff like that. This is my baby. I'm so happy I made this purchase. But I'm gonna play with this camera before it dies, and then at the end I'm going to come back and show you guys like all that is happening. Oh, it died. It died. It says charge the battery. So I guess I can't play with it, but I will come back and after I charge the battery and do all that stuff. So can't wait. So see you guys. The battery is so small. Like I did not know that it was gonna be like this, but I know I'm gonna go get me some new batteries too. Some more SD cards. So I'm gone, y'all. I'll be back. But I just want to tell y'all that it's so cute and so small. Hi. I'm upstairs in my room. The lighting is so much better because I have this mirror with the light. When I talk to this camera, I have to look at the damn lens. Like this camera shows everything. I hope so. But bye. Wow. Bye.